What's up, guys? In this video we are checking out this Lockin Veno plus lock, and the best thing about this lock is the vein recognition, that it recognizes your vein. Let me see which one I trained. I think this one. No, this one. See, so let's do it once again. It also gives you voice commands and also gives you notifications here in the Lockin, and it has bunch of other features, video, doorbell, but first let me show you the main feature. It's really fast, the palm vein recognition, and on top of that you don't need to go closer. Like even with this distance, see, you can unlock it. You can do it with wet hands, with gloves. It still recognizes your vein. And if I do the wrong one, this one, which is not trained, it does not recognize it. But if I do the right one, it does it quickly. And even I don't need to align it. Even if it is a bit on the left side, it will still do. So let's lock it again. It is locked. See, it is on the side and still unlocked. It is very fast, and the best thing about it was the registration. Like for thumb you need to do multiple times edges, but with palm vein you only do it like this, and it also immediately registered it. It also has human detection. It has a camera. I think it is a 2 or 3K camera, very good one, with infrared built in. It also has a fingerprint. Let me see, I think, which one was it? I tried at least one. Let me lock it first, and let me disable the sound. Okay, I want to lock it. Okay, it is locked now. Which thumb was it? I think it was this one. Let's try this one. No, let's try this one. See, so thumb is also there. 3D thumb recognition. You have this camera, you have this lock, and this lock, even though it accepts only 6 digits, it actually allows you to enter random digits before and after the code, like up to 20, so that others can't do it. So for example, if I do 11111, then 4825481111. Oh, it is not locked. So let me lock it again. Sorry.
Door locked.
Okay, now let's try it now. 111, now 482548, then 1111. What? My lock is 48254481. Is it not? Let me remember my lock. 4825. Is it that? Okay, so I forgot even my own keypad lock. Let me check from here, or maybe reset it. And door lock setting, keypad, where is the keypad setting? Manage access, palm vein, passwords. Let's go with password. Password 1. Reset password. Confirm. And 482548. Let's go with this one. 6482548. Let's do this one. 482548. Okay. All the data is stored inside the device, so once you do the calibration, it works offline, so nothing leaves the device. Now let's try to open it. 482548. Okay, now the code works, right? Let's unlock it again. Now let's enter random numbers. 1114825481111. Nothing happened. What? 11148254881. What is going on? 7777482. No, I'm entering it wrong. Sorry, 11148254881. See, so I entered 111 first and then enter the right code, so it worked fine. So it gives you access to a random numbers before and after the log, so that no one can see it. This is how it works. It also has a sensor. So for example, this is the sensor. I have pasted it already there, but this is the sensor part, which gives the signal whether it is actually locked or not. So you have thumbprint, palm vein recognition, and then you have the keypad, and then you have lastly this locking mechanism right here, so with the key. Okay, it is also a bell. So it is a log, it is a video doorbell, and it is also, what's the third one? It has a camera, it is a doorbell, and it is a log. So 3 in 1. What else can I show you? This is from the, I have already shown you fingerprint, keypad, palm recognition. Let me show you the video result. Let's open the video. Video's quality is actually really good. It also has, see, I mean, look at me, how clear it is, see. So video quality is really good. You can also do two-way talk, and it also has a voice masking feature. Where is it? I think it has a voice masking feature. I'm not sure if I can show you, but I'm pretty sure it does have a voice masking feature. So if while using the app, okay, there it is, voice masking. So it has a voice masking feature in case you want to hide your voice and you don't want to know that a kid is inside, or a female or male. So you can do the voice masking, which is nice. But video quality is really good. Colors are really great. This is one thing. Then you also have away geofencing modes. Then if you go to settings, you can see whether it is locked, connected, battery life, and power manager, motion detection. You can invite users